How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hello everybody, my name is Smile here to guide you through the way, and to know how you can do it, just watch this video till the very end. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Messenger on your phone with the help of Google Play Store or App Store. After that, you can simply and normally open your Messenger app. After you open your Messenger application, it will be loaded and you will see an interface like this. Now, when you tap on the search bar, whenever you tap on the search bar and try to search for anybody, when you just scroll down and down, you will be suggested. These are all the suggested accounts for me. So, how do you delete these suggested accounts? So, the very first option how you can delete these are go on the profile of certain person and then tap on view profile and then block the certain account. After you block them, they will no more be seen in your suggested account. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel. Suggest for more videos on the comment section. Thank you.